Hi there, it's Saturday the 22nd of October 2016 and this very short video is about contrarian investing. So let's have a think about it, because why do we have an interest in contrarian investing? Because we want to buy things when they're cheap. So the difficulty is looking for things that are cheap. Often they get cheaper. So what I try and do is not to try and call the bottom of the market, but to try and buy when things are on the rise again. So I use the average price for the year to guide me as to whether something is in favour or out of favour, and when the price rises up through the average price of the past 52 weeks, then I'm interested in buying it. So I use the 52 MA, the moving average of the past 52 weeks, and I'll hang on to that investment until the price crosses below the 52 MA again, at which point I will sell it. So I've got some themes here at the moment. Here we are in October, so I think that mining and commodities are a very strong theme to look at, as is energy, and actually to a certain extent, surprisingly, banks and a little bit of defensive stuff. So let's have a look at my first one. I've got 12 examples for you. I own all of these, so there we go, disclosure. Now the first one is an investment trust called the City Natural Resources High Yield Trust, and this has done really badly in recent years, but now it seems to be on the up. It crossed through the 52 MA earlier this year and it's still rising. So I think it's a nice generalized investment trust with exposure to commodities, but it's not something to buy and hold because it goes up and down so much. I want to buy it when it's down and sell it when it's going down from being up. So let's have a look at a few specific commodities stocks and mining stocks. So I've got Vedanta Resources, that looks like it's on the up, as is Anglo American, seems to be doing extremely well. Antofagasta, it's been a little bit up and downy in the past few weeks, but it's definitely on a buy signal as far as I'm concerned. Vedanta Resources doing very nicely, popped up through its 52 MA earlier in the year, doing very nicely since then. Cas Minerals is a copper miner, and that's doing very strongly at the moment, so I'll be interested to see how that goes. Now the other theme that I was talking about was energy. So here is an oil stock, Tullow Oil, came up above its 52 MA earlier this year and is doing strongly. An ETF, S Energy, here we go. So that's got a generalized exposure to the price of oil and to petroleum and gas and so on. This is doing very nicely. Another ETF that I've picked up, which seems to be doing nicely, is coffee. It's been doing shockingly badly in the past, then did well, then did badly again, and now it looks like it's doing well. So this is the sort of stuff that's really interesting for a contrarian investor like me. So this looks like it's on the up, so I own this. A couple of banks, Standard Chartered is doing very nicely this year, and this week Barclays popped up through its 52 MA, so I bought that as well. And I don't know if you love it or hate it, that's Marmite and the spat that it had with Tesco's, Unilever had with Tesco's, but Tesco's seems to be doing very well, and so I bought Tesco's. It's popped up through its 52 MA just a couple of weeks ago, doing really well, so I've bought that as well. It's at, quite a low price compared to how it has been. Maybe it'll do well. Time will tell. So 12 stocks here for you. Hope you find that interesting. Thanks very much for watching the video, and catch up with you at some stage. Bye for now.